Hey everyone, well in this video I'm going to be doing the old start cold start on the 2010 Lawnboy 10642. So I have not used this mower at all this summer. It's been sitting in my shed, which is why, as you can see, it's all dirty. I'm going to have to clean it off. So yeah, I have not started this thing since May, so we'll see what happens. And sorry about my voice, I am sick at the moment, so yeah. But anyway, I'll put the camera down on the Toro 2370, and we'll just see what this thing can do. All right, so let's give this a try. So that's not so bad. Start on the first pull. Now, one thing I did do with this machine is I just did this today. Actually, I took off the electric start system, as you can see, because like I mentioned before, it was broken, and I was not spending what, 80 bucks on a motor. So yeah, I mean, I still kept the parts from it, so if I ever find a junk mower that I can, with an electric start, I can just put it on here. But for the time being, this is how it's gonna be. And actually, it doesn't look that bad. Actually, I think it looks better without the electric start. So yeah. So that's all I got for today. If you enjoyed, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Bye for now.